Rizalfa from 8.2. Today I want to explain about Temlur. The second verse in Surah Al-Ikhlas explains that Allah is the place to ask for everything. There is no place to pray as to help. Allah is placed to ask for everything. He is Almighty, the Creator. He does not need anything else, while all creators depend on Him. Like the subject of circle, circle is defined as the set of all points that are same the distance from given point called the center of circle. All points on the circle depend on the circle center point. Without a center point, a circle will not be a perfect circular closed curve, just like humans who depend on Allah as the good uniform. Allah is placed to ask for everything. There is not no other place to depend on Allah. So the probability of our request being granted by someone other than Allah is zero. To increase the probability of prayers being answered by Allah, we must also try to communicate. So in this circle is there is have many. So there is my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.